Inspections are complete, loan process is underway. What are the next steps? In your contract, you've got a due diligence period to complete all of the inspections, appraisals, and get your loan intact. If you find out something that bothers you about the house you want to buy, here's what to do next. First, if it's just little things that are wrong, try not to make a big deal out of it. Asking for too many small fixes might annoy the person selling the house and could even delay your closing. However, if there's a big issue, like something that could be unsafe or really expensive to fix, like a leaking roof, radon gas, or windows, you have to decide what to do next. You can ask the person selling the house to fix the items, you can ask them to lower the price, or ask them to give you a credit to help with the cost. But this depends on what type of loan you're getting and what the market is doing. Is it a seller's market or a buyer's market? A seller's market means a lot of people want to buy houses, but there aren't many houses for sale. If you find a big problem, the seller might not want to help pay for it because they have other people who are willing to buy the house and incur the costs themselves. If you really want the house, you might have to suck it up and pay to have the problem taken care of. But in a buyer's market, there are lots of houses for sale and not many people buying. You have a much better chance of getting the seller to fix big problems or to help pay for them because they want to sell their house. In the best case scenario, the person selling the home has already had inspections done and fixed any big problems like health and safety issues or major repairs like roof or window leaks. This makes it easier for you because you know the house is in good shape when you buy it. It also helps ensure that your loan will go through. Oftentimes, depending on the loan type, the lender may have what are called lender-required repairs that have to be completed before the bank will fund the loan. This is one of the details your agent and lender should know and tell you about prior to going into contract so that you and your deposit stay safe. An experienced listing agent often advises the seller to have all the major inspections done prior to putting the home on the market, although it's very rare. But by doing this means there will be no surprises to the buyer or the seller once you go into contract that could affect the home closing. It saves a lot of heartache and money down the line. Once inspections are done and disclosures reviewed and further negotiations for things like repairs are complete, you're very close to getting the keys to your new home.